we're shining a spotlight on one of the most talked about housing markets in the country, Fort Worth, Texas. Now, whether you're single, starting a family, or thinking about relocating, Fort Worth is standing out as a place people are calling the place to be. And I'm going to tell you why. Fort Worth has seen incredible growth over the last few years. We're experiencing a major influx of new businesses relocating to our area, from small startups to corporate headquarters, bringing with them thousands of jobs in tech, healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and logistics. With these job opportunities comes strong demand for housing, and that's what continues to drive our real estate market forward. Now, in today's market, value is about more than just price. It's about long-term opportunity. It's about location, schools, it's about community, it's about future appreciation. Buyers who are winning in Fort Worth are looking at full picture, not just what a home costs today, but what it will be worth tomorrow. Why people are saying Fort Worth is the place to be? Let's talk about it. Affordability. Compared to many major cities, Fort Worth still offers strong buying power. Job growth. Companies like Amazon, Lockheed Martin, American Airlines, and major healthcare systems continue expanding here, creating stable employment. Quality of life. Strong school districts, family-friendly communities, parks, trails, cultural attractions, entertainment hubs like Sundance Square. We got community and diversity. Whether you're single and social or raising a family, Fort Worth offers neighborhoods that truly fit your lifestyle. And it's centrally located. Easy access to Dallas, DFW Airport, and major highways make commuting and travel convenient. Now let's consider some real live examples. Now, I've talked to young professionals that love areas like the 7th Street. They say it's walkable, there's dining, and a nightlife. Families are choosing the Alliance, Keller, and South Fort Worth areas for space, schools, and community events. Investors, they're focusing on North Fort Worth and growth corridors where value and rental demand continue to rise. So whether you're buying, selling, relocating, or investing, Fort Worth truly offers something for everyone. With business growth, lifestyle options, and long-term opportunity, it's easy to see why people from across the country are choosing to call Fort Worth home. If you're ready to explore your options, give me, Yolanda Westmoreland, a call. Send me a text or message me today. I'd love to help you create your own success story right here in Texas. Comment Fort Worth below if you'd like the latest listings or your personalized market report. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next Monday right here on Property Spotlight Monday.